Hey whales, good morning, happy Wednesday. Let's recap and go over Tesla for today's trading session. All right, so with that said, let's jump in. So with Tesla coming into this week, we are looking for a bottom, right? We're looking for a low here, and we do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves coming down, and that marginal new low is where we're looking at for a potential relief rally towards the upside. Now, that relief rally is what we're looking at in terms of erasing all the losses that Tesla has experienced over the last couple months here, right? So that target is anywhere between $300 and $380 into the future, right? So if you're a long-term investor, in my opinion, you shouldn't be selling your shares. You should obviously be accumulating because ultimately this sort of rally would be a 66 all the way up to 100% gain from those lows. Okay, so a very great upside potential to be looking out for. Now, the reason why I do believe that we could be getting a marginal new low is that I'm seeing early warning signs across the markets that there is selling pressure coming in. Okay, so for instance, if I go to the Nikkei, right, this is the Japan markets, you can see that the equal lengths for the Nikkei is down here at the 1-to-1 level. All right, you can take a look as well on the left side that there are pivots here that it can still keep going down and reach these levels before it decides that the markets are ready, right? So the markets, in my opinion, are not ready yet, right? These instruments need to come down a little bit more. For instance, for oil as well, right? The USO, you can see that we had a multi-year break, and the 1-to-1 extremes, again, takes the swing lows to the swing highs. We are still a little bit away before, any potential rally here. Okay, so we just got to be mindful that the other instruments are calling for lower. Okay, same thing for CL futures, crude oil. Same thing. We had this multi-year break of its lows, very bearish as well for the markets here. And the equal lengths again coming down to 27, 28 bucks. Very, very deep retracement. Also, another thing that I like to time my buys as well is the yen pairs. Okay, so for Aussie yen, right, same thing. It's still a little bit further away before U.S. equities are ready to go. Okay, you can see the pivots here on the left side as well. Right, CAD yen. Right, same thing. We're looking for another marginal low to get these all the way to its extremes here. All right, so now we're staying very patient, right? Once the markets decide, it gets ready to go. However, we cannot ignore the fact that this could also happen as well. A surprise where we keep going down closer to 447 to 403, right? The 618 level for the reversals is right here. All right, so we're getting ready to time our entries. And yeah, it's going to be a very interesting week here. On the 30-minute time frame for Tesla, so we're looking to see if Tesla can either do two things. Either continue to push lower, right? A 1, 2, 3 coming down 4, 5. Or it can make a surprise and do a 7-wave swing towards the upside here before it goes lower, okay? So something like a 4-wave like this, all right? So either or, I wouldn't be shorting at these levels, guys, right? Because it can do something special like this. It can trick traders. It can do something like this before it goes down, right? So just staying patient, waiting patiently, waiting for the markets to decide what it's going to do. Until then, yeah, I'll give you guys an update every single day. Just stay safe out there, and yeah, scale in slowly, and you'll benefit over the long term, guys. I promise you. These are some amazing levels that Tesla is at and will enter into the future. Okay, see ya.